So, voice overing over here at the Magic Kingdom fireworks here in Orlando, Florida, USA. The best views, and everybody still like it. Just be the kids, older people like me, still love the magic here in the Magic Kingdom, Disney. Wow, you can only dream of. It's a dream come true. I'm telling you, it's paradise on earth here in the Magic Kingdom. There, you know, I don't know this back home in the Philippines that this exists here, but here I'm already here in the USA, and it's still my dream come true. Yes, it's fun.